Day 9 of 21. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, today I don't really have a specific topic that I want to talk about. It's just I'm still on this matters of the heart. Okay, well, today I'm gonna some numbers on. I have a question, type of vibe. Have you ever loved someone that in the process you try to understand them while they're hurting you? And then I've heard a lot of people talking about hey, love hurts, love hurts. I mean, I beg to differ because I feel like in fact love is a beautiful thing. First of all, before I continue, love is a beautiful thing, and love is associated with happiness. Love is associated with joy, happiness, joy. Like anything that makes you excited, anything that brings joy in your life is love. But then this statement of saying love hurts, I I feel like it's wrong because a person who doesn't know how to love is the one that hurts you, not that love hurts. So let's not jinx this thing that we say love hurts, hey, love hurts. No, love doesn't hurt. The person that you're in love with, the person that you're involved with in that relationship is the one that is hurting you, not love. The person is not loving you the way you want to be loved, or that person is doing the things that you don't want to go through in that relationship, hence you are feeling pain, or that's why you're hurt, whatsoever the case might be. So in my own opinion, love doesn't hurt. And also another thing is the in the relationship you see that there are signs. Yes, there are signs. Signs will be there. They will always be there. But then normally we tend to turn a blind eye because we don't want to believe what my bae is doing this and my bae is doing that. So we tend to be like, no, it can't be true. Or be like, angazi ukuthi what will be happening. But then we tend to turn a blind eye. So in that process, when we turn a blind eye, either one of you will be hurting each other, and as you'll be hurting another partner until like you'll be so resilient in the relationship. I just want to make this work, but nothing is working out, and the only thing that you know is pain in your relationship. Yeah, but pain right through, and then that's when you have no choice but to let things slide, let that person go. Understand? But then that time you'll be damaged, like damaged. Understand? So I don't know why, like when we're in relationships, as in it's like one of our senses doesn't work. And as I for one, I always like to believe Uguti. I just have that thing of having I can't just judge you first attempt. I need like something solid to make me see that this thing is tangible, this thing I can work with, this thing is one that I can just say, okay, when I say this I'll support my statement with this. So I don't really get shaken by small things. I need to convince myself, and most of the times this is about me. I When I want to leave in a relationship, I make sure when I leave there's no love. Like I'll no longer be like, ish, but I love that person. No, I I take my time. I fall out of love very easily, and then it just goes down by the day. And then the day I say, yeah, I'm done, and I'm so done. That's how I am. And also, some other another thing that is painful in this love game is because the painful part is the heartbreak. The heartbreak either it's wrong because I feel like no, it doesn't have a cure. I want to like pills that I can take to ease the pain there. It's like having a headache. I can take grandpa, I can take Disprin, but then when you have a heartbreak, there's no Disprin that is gonna make the pain go away. Everyone, it's about you dealing with the process. First accept the problem that you may be having, and then you forgive yourself for everything. Forgive yourself that you allowed a person to walk into your life and they have caused you pain. Don't blame yourself that thing is poo poo, I was a fool, I did this, that. No. You trusted that person, you love that person, you gave that person you all, but then the problem rather, that didn't give you the same affection that you were giving them. That's why most of the times we get hurt in the process, because one of the partners is not doing what you, because you're willing to do, to go an extra mile, and the other person is not willing. So it becomes like it's not really working, because you put a lot of pressure, you put a lot of energy in that relationship, but then it just doesn't work. So yeah, I think that's it for the day in this love thing. Yeah, guys, love is beautiful, love is kind. Mina, I still believe in love. I still believe in love, and yeah, I hope we all find love at some point. We experience what love is, because I have experienced what love is, and I'm still hoping that yeah, it will it will be my daily thing about love, about that. But then yeah, so that's it for the day, and I hope you guys you get something out of this video. Though I don't really know what I was saying, but bye. Fine. Bye for now.